Hi, this is Alicia from workersonboard.com. I want to tell you about a website that you can use that will help you to earn $10 a day or more, that pays instantly, and that's open worldwide. Now that website is called Qmee, so I'm going to talk a little bit about it and revisit this site. I've talked about it before in the past, but if you had signed up a few years back, or you are not using it, or you're not active with it, but you're looking for a way to earn daily cash and you're at least 16, make sure you click on the link right below this video to get started. I'm going to tell you how it works and give you some tips on how you can make more money. Now be sure to subscribe to my blog so that when I write a new post, you'll be notified. All you have to do is go to any page on my blog, and on the right hand side where it says email address, you click here and you type it in and then click subscribe, and then it will automatically come to be delivered to your email inbox when I write a new post. So talking about Qmee, now this is a site that you can use that has changed over the years and it's become a lot better. So if you signed up years ago and you really weren't able to make a lot of money with it and you kind of put it to the wayside and not using it anymore, I'm going to give you some good reasons why you should be using it now. So you do need to be at least 16. They are open in the US, the UK, Canada, and Australia. You can download and install their free app either on Google Play or the App Store. You can do it right now. All you have to do is click on the link below this video, complete your profile, and then confirm your email address and all of that, and you can get started earning right away. Now, you will need to download their Chrome extension on Google on the Chrome store, and the reason why you want to do that is because they also will pay you to search the web. It's similar to Inbox Dollars. This is another company that will pay you to search on their browser rather than on Google itself. So what you would do, you are going to get online as you normally would, and you're going to go and you'll search for things online. As you browse the internet, Qmee will bring up these paid results on the left hand side of your screen. A lot of times I notice, for example, say if I wanted to order a pizza and I just type in, my computer's going slow right now, but once it loads up and I type in Pizza Hut, now because I have the Chrome extension installed on my browser from Qmee, on the left hand side you're gonna see here, now this is what they pay, this is what Qmee is paying me to visit these sites. So they're gonna pay me 5 cents to visit Pizza Hut. Now if I just click here, I won't get it from Google. But if I click here, or Papa John's, Domino's, Grubhub, I'm going to get the 5 cents. So I'm going to click to go to Pizza Hut, and at the top of my browser, which you can't see, the little piggy is turning red, which means I'm earning cash to visit the website because I have the extension installed. So anytime you're searching the web, even if you're on Amazon and you're looking to buy something, search for whatever you're going to search for, and you can even see results from Qmee there too. I've seen them as well. Now those sponsored websites that they've partnered with will pay you from 5 cents up to $1. It really just depends on what the advertiser or that company is paying Qmee to pay you to visit their site, but they do pay you to click to visit websites. And now if you go back to my dashboard, and if I happen to reload this page, you'll see my earnings go up a little bit, which it already did. It went up 5 cents because I did that on my browser. So I just wanted to show you that's one way to make money. But the main way to make close to $10 a day or more with Qmee is to take advantage of their surveys. Now this is how it's going to work. You will log in either on your smartphone or either on your computer, and you see all the surveys that they have listed here available. And these will continue to feed through on this page. So what you see here is not all they have. as you continue to do more, more will be filtered in through this page here. And so they tell you how long it's going to take you, how much you're going to make. How long it's going to take you, how much you're going to make. And then they'll continue to feed through. Make sure you're always honest here. And Qmee will reward you for being very active on the site. And what they do, for example, they have a daily poll. If you come in and you do the daily poll and then you complete those surveys, these piggies will continue to be activated. And once you unlock 5 piggies or 5 oinks, then you'll get a 10% increase in your survey rewards. And so that will help you to earn more here. But this is the main way that you're going to be able to make that amount, because they have, like I said, a lot of surveys. And most of them, even though they give you an estimate of how much it could take, that would be on the high end. A lot of times they take anywhere from up to 15 minutes or less. You know, I haven't seen anything longer than that here on Qmee. But as you continue to take those surveys, as soon as you finish it, they will give you a notice and tell you it will take up to 2 hours to credit it. But it normally does it within the minute after you finished it. So just please keep that in mind. And I like Qmee because they don't pay you in points. It is complete cash. So anytime you take a survey here, once you complete it, that money will be credited right here. And when you're ready to cash out, you don't have to wait to get $5 or to have $5 in your account, or 10 or 2 or even $1. Whatever you have here, you can cash out and request it either through PayPal or through a gift card. So like I said, you only need to be 16. They also have offers here for you to complete, which will give you a cash incentive up front for giving it a try. Plus, you will get cash back too. So that's another way that you can earn. But the main way that I said is, and also of course with searching the web, is by taking these surveys. Now, what can happen as you continue to take these surveys, you will see that some of these survey providers that Qmee partners with, so the surveys are coming from an outside source. They don't come from Qmee directly. They link you to them because they've partnered with them. But these surveys, sometimes they'll say that they're already filled, or because a lot of people are completing these surveys, or they're looking for a certain demographic. And so most of the time that's not going to happen on every single case, but it can happen. And it had happened to me. And I noticed that Qmee, after a period of time when that happened, after so many, and it only took me, I didn't go through the complete survey, it was probably within the first 2 minutes or so, they end up giving me an incentive anyway, even though they had already filled their quota for that particular demographic here. Now, what you will notice too is as you continue to take the surveys here, sometimes these survey providers will invite you to complete a webcam study. And if and when they do and you accept it, you're going to earn a lot more here. You're going to earn at least $100, and it could go up from there. So this is another reason why you want to use the site every day. Log in, do these surveys. They don't take very long at all. You can always mix it up and search, browse the web, and do different things here. But people are able to make, especially if they complete some of those webcam studies, they can make, some people are able to make $400 a month, $500 a month for side income. Now, what you're going to notice too here, also you can make money for referring your friends. That's another way you can make money here. So you can just tell, some of your coworkers or your friends, send them a link, use your referral link and text it to them and have them join. And like I said, they're open in several countries, so you have a lot of opportunity to do that, even on social media. And then when you're ready to cash out, you can do it by either 3 methods: through your PayPal account, gift cards, or donate it to charity. Now, if you don't have a PayPal account, you can sign up for one for free, but you still have the option to get gift cards. What I like about Qmee is now they have updated it and they have more companies that they've partnered with to offer you these gift cards, and they have a lot more than they used to have. So as you scroll down through here, you can see Amazon, Bath and Body Works, CVS Pharmacy, Dunkin' Donuts. They have Panera Bread, Starbucks, Target, Walmart, Whole Foods, and a lot of different places here that you can get a gift card from. At the Apple Store, it really depends on you. And so you will need $5 in order to get, a gift card, but you can start shopping online, or you could just, if you don't have $5 and you have less than that, then you can just request it to your PayPal account and it can be under that. So you don't have to have $5 to cash out. But if you get a gift card, you may have to have at least $5 to get a gift card here. But I definitely would recommend that you give it a try. $10 may not seem like a lot of money, but if you consistently use this site every day, then that equals to $70 a week. And then it will end up being a little bit, $280, around $280 a month or so, maybe more, depending upon if you earn more or you complete these webcam studies and all of that. So definitely give it a try. That's if you are only able to make, if you make that $10 and you use it every single day. So just keep that in mind. It's a way for you to earn some extra cash and, on the side, especially if you've been kind of trying to find some gigs that you can do that are legitimate and that are reliable and that will pay you instantly. This is a no-brainer. If you like sites like Paid Viewpoint, you'll definitely like Qmee, because they have a plethora of surveys for you to take. So make sure you click on the link below this video if you're using Qmee already. Provide us with some tips or strategies that you've used, and tell us how much you're making a month with this site. And another thing too, don't forget that, remember to follow Qmee on their Facebook page, and their support team is very active in getting back in touch with you if you have any questions, or if you need assistance, or if you encounter any kind of technical difficulties, they will help you. And so just make sure you reach out to them, and they will definitely do so. You can do it either through their Facebook page or send them an email here at support@qmee.com. But I think you'll really like this site. I want you all to give it a try and let me know what you think. And then I'll be back again with you on the next video later this week and talk to you about some work at home jobs. Also, you can read a post that I wrote about Qmee for more details. And it even shows you a payment proof on how much I've earned from this site so far to date. And don't forget to join our Facebook group, Extra Cash Sites, for additional money-making sites that you can use to earn cash every day from your smartphone, or from these side gigs you can do from home. So definitely make sure you check that out. And if you have any comments or questions about Qmee, please leave them below this video and I'll try to get an answer for you. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And thank you so much for watching, and enjoy the rest of your weekend, and I'll see you guys later on in the week. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.